How are
Start.
you?
I'm over the moon. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing well too. Thanks for connecting with me today.
Ma'am as well as me. Thank you for connecting to me.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Of course, I would. Yes. I. My name is Alber Rahman. I study in sixth standard, and my school name is Rana International School. And my hobbies are skating and doing art and craft, such things like that.
Okay, good to know about yourself. Okay, where do you live, but?
I live in India, Uttar Pradesh, Amroha. It's a district and a small district.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let me introduce myself. Maybe you have some idea about me. Do you have some idea about me or not?
No, not at all.
Okay. So my name is Hema. I was born and raised in India, Delhi. After getting married, I came to Australia. I have been living in Australia for the last 16 years. My qualification includes a post graduation degree in Hindi honors, which I have done from Delhi University. And I have also bachelor degree, which I have done in education. Therefore, I've been working as a teacher in Australia. So by profession, I'm a teacher. Simultaneously, I'm an English trainer on one of the international platforms called Praply. Besides, I have a channel on the YouTube, which is the Art of Speaking English, and that is all about me.
Okay. And that was very nice of knowing you.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Okay. Would you
Very.
like to say something about your hobbies?
Of course, I would. So, my hobbies, as I told you, that my hobbies are skating and doing art and craft. So, from my point of view, I am a bit creative one. So, I love to do art and all because because summer vacations have started. So, I love to do the homeworks and all, the summer vacation homeworks, as well as there I am reading a book currently. It's named the Diary of the Wimpy Kid. It's of Jeff Kenny, and
Mhm.
it's an enthusiastic book. Enthusiastic, it's so magnificent, it's so relatable, and yeah, reading is one of my most important hobbies as well, because it is so magnificent and beautiful to know around the world about after reading newspapers, magazines, like my mother reads about makeup and all. She loves to do makeup actually. So, and other things as well, but in comics it's always Wimpy Kid. I will always go with it. So yes,
Okay.
that's
So you're
my
fascinated by reading books. That is a very good thing. You cultivated very good habit because usually people they find it very hard to read something because it consume lots of time and they find it boring. But I can see you are very enthusiastic. You are very curious to read books. This is a very good habit. So
thank
yeah, that's a good things you have reading habit.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, tell me something more about yourself, or would you like to ask something?
Ma'am, do you have any kids?
I have two kids, yes.
And ma'am, what's their name as well as age?
I have a son, his name is Chayant. I have a daughter, her name is Jikyasa, and they have grown up. They are in university. So, yes, I have plenty of time to implement my things and follow my hobbies.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And yes, that's all about it.
Would you like to share about your future plan? What would you like to be when you grow up?
I am thinking of Judge IAS in Indian streams only, because before I was thinking of being an doctor of or MBBS like this, but then I changed my mind because I am having a little more interests in other occupations as well. So because doctor is only not only the occupations, no, they
Yeah.
are different. Yes.
Yeah, there are heaps of occupation you can choose. Maybe when you will grow up, you will be able to take decision according to your desire, according to your interest, and that would be great. But you have lots of options as well. Yeah, you can pick
Yes,
whatever you want to pick.
yes,
Oh,
I
okay. If you could go anywhere, where would you like to go, and why would you like to go there?
if I would like. Ma'am, I would like to go in Switzerland
Switzerland. Wow, Switzerland is a good country. Why would you like to go there?
because there is lead in the factory of chocolate. That's why, and it is going in
Okay.
trends nowadays.
Okay. Even in Australia, we have chocolate factory too.
Lead in chocolate
Yes,
factory.
it's a good chocolate factory, and children they like to go there, eat chocolate and ice creams. I've been there twice.
Wow, that will be good. But I didn't knew that, so I knew about Switzerland. So that's why I choose it.
Okay, Switzerland is a good country. Yes, you can go there. You can spend your holidays, and maybe by the time you will go there, you will not have interest to eat chocolates. Maybe your interest will
No.
change. No, still you love chocolate.
Yes, I do love
Okay,
chocolate.
that is great. So, what else you like to eat apart from chocolate? What
Ice
is your favorite
cream,
food? Ice cream. Okay.
always.
Okay. So, chocolate and ice cream come under healthy food or unhealthy food?
Both, because it's homemade. Ice cream is
Okay.
homemade.
Homemade.
My
Okay.
mother makes ice cream as well.
Okay. So, what else you would like to eat?
I would like to eat in my comfort food. It's always dal chawal and pearls and rice always.
Mhm.
And yes,
Mm. Okay. That's really good. So, you like dal, chawar, chocolate, ice cream. Wow. Yeah, that is great. Do you like to eat fruits as well? Fruit and
yes, I
salad?
do.
Which one is your favorite fruit?
My favorite is mango.
Oh, I was about to say that. Everyone loves mango, yeah. So I think it's
Especially
summer.
Indian.
During the summertime, you can eat mangoes. Yeah.
And ma'am, do you know that my maternal father have a whole garden, a whole massive garden of mangoes. So that's why in every summer, a
Mhm.
lots of mangoes come to her home.
Oh, and you can eat organic and fresh mangoes. So you are a lucky girl. Hmm?
Thank you, ma'am.
Do you have friends?
Of course, I do.
Okay, which one is your favorite friend and what is the quality?
Best friend in the world is my mother
Okay, that's really good. Good to be
because
friend with your mother.
yes, because she have all of the qualities, and I know that she was my first ever bestie. She was my first ever friend, and yes, other friends also I have at school, but
Mhm.
she's my favorite ones.
That is good. So, what would you like to do at your spare time?
At my so I like to just follow my hobbies,
Okay.
like doing art and craft
Art
and
and
reading
craft.
books.
Okay.
Otherwise, if I like to do something else, then I just play with my brother.
Okay, that is good. It's good to play with our siblings, our family, and friends. That way, we can share enjoyment and happiness with each other. Yeah,
Yes,
and it helps us to develop good bonding. So we have
yes,
good bonding with them. We can understand them better. Okay, so you have a brother,
yes, I do. A younger one.
and you are the older one in your family. You are the older
Yes,
child. Okay, so you
yes,
have only one sibling, brother.
yes. And I'm
Okay.
happy with it.
Okay. Say something about your school. Do you like school?
Of course, I do. And my school is the biggest and the most greatest school in Amroha. Is its name is Rana International School, as I just told you, and it has it has four houses, actually
Mm-hmm.
five. One is Nile, that is red, Amazon, that is blue, Volga, that is yellow, in which I am. and in this, that is green, in which my brother is. And the last and the least and the most important is the white color one. It represents the school. It represents the all of the other houses, as well as the head boy and head girl, because they are in the school, they are not in the other houses.
Hmm.
I'm sorry, they are not in the other houses, they don't support other houses, they only support the school. So that's why whenever marching parade goes, they are always leading the all of the houses. The white one is leading with the head girl and the head boy, and it's a very proud moment for all of us.
Yeah, that is actually, I do understand this. Well, thanks for sharing your school learning time and you are proud of being in that school. That's great. I think school is a good place to go because when we go there, we can learn. Not even we can learn, we just make friends and we socialize with them. Yes. And we can share some ideas. We can discuss what we want to be in the future. So we get some ideas when we talk to them. Yes.
Yes, we can.
Okay. Do you share lunch boxes with your friends?
Of course.
Do you? You know, here we cannot share lunch boxes because of allergy. Because people have allergy, we cannot share. We are not allowed to
That's a very bad thing, you can't. But in India, we always do. In
because
India,
in the same culture, na? Here people they come from different part of the world. So that's why some people they have allergy. For instance, if you're feeding somebody maybe nuts, some nuts laddu or whatever,
yes,
if you
yes,
feed
yes.
and that child has a allergy with nuts, so what will happen? You are putting that person in danger. So that's why we don't share. Yeah.
Okay, okay, ma'am. But in India, it doesn't matter anything. We just eat. Like whenever I bring something like tasty, and my mother always makes tasty things. So whenever I open my lunch, if it's chapati and vegetables, then they never eat. But when
Mm.
it's something else and interesting, they just
They
take
would
their
like to.
forks or spoons and just snap it. And I'm like, oh my god, let me eat my own lunch.
Why do you open your lunch? Don't just show them. If you have something
And they
special,
never let us hide. If I will hide, then they will think that
why she's
why.
hiding? Okay, but do you
Yes,
do the same thing with them?
yes, of course I do.
So it's
Because
fair, yeah. They can do same thing with
yes,
you. Yes.
because first they have started, so now I am going to end. I say this thing.
Yeah. That's why I told you now when we go to school, we learn how to be socialized. So you are learning how to be socialized. Sharing is caring. Yeah. That's what you are doing.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, as well as we share notes, as well as everything, like some is. But I don't share one thing, that is water, because I don't bring tap water, and I just take chilled water from my home, and I use Milton bottles, the 48 hours cold and hot water bottle. So whenever I go, I take 1 liter water with me, and I don't share to them,
Mm.
because they always drink their water first, and I go with my parents, and in summers in India it's so hot, so that's why they don't let me drink my water. I say that no, this I'm not gonna give you, sorry, but this
Yeah.
I.
It's good to have something personal, yeah. So you said straight away to them, okay, this is my belonging and I don't want to share that. That's really good things. Because when you have food, you can just use your hand and you can eat, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, you can take bite. But it's not really good and hygiene to share water. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to ask something before we wrap up this session?
Not really.
Okay. Okay. So would you like to share about your qualities? I would like to know about your qualities. If you know what qualities you have within yourself.
I have the quality to be creative and support the poor, because if I have some money, I would rather give it to a poor than buying something for me, because they need it more than me. I
Mhm.
have parents, but they don't have anyone to care.
That's really true. But when we do some kind of charities, we need to make sure we are giving our charity to the right person. We don't know how they're going to use it, okay? So better than giving money, if you can give something which is usable, they can use that. That would be great.
Yes, I know. But I don't have a bigger amount of money, so I always give the
Yes.
amount which I have, a little one.
So it means you are compassionate, you are
Yes.
kind-hearted person, and you are very creative, and you show disposition of learning. Yeah, that
Yes.
is good qualities you have within yourself. So keep on developing, keep on practicing how you can raise your qualities, how you can develop more your skills. So nice talking with you. I think
And
time is going over, and as I can see, you are not looking well, and I'm also not well. So we can
yes,
catch up maybe later. Take
yes,
care
we are
and
under the weather.
sorry.
We are under
We are
the
under the
weather.
weather. Yes, I am actually too. I had a medication, so that's why I'm talking with you at this moment.
Okay.
I think I have same problem. You are coughing now. I also have cough problem. Yeah.
Yes, I do have from
But
the past 2 days.
but luckily my voice is clear now. It wasn't clear in the morning, but now it's clear. So I am
Okay.
able to talk. Yes.
Yes. So, toodles, ma'am.
Okay. So bye and take
Toodles.